Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This is my 2025 Surron Light BX. Today, we are gonna be replacing my brake pads. So the 2025 Surron Light BX, as you know, comes with new DOT brakes, no longer has the mineral oil. However, they come with ceramic brake pads. Oh, those fucking suck. So today, we're gonna be installing some big boy sintered brake pads. Now, this is a super easy install. You need 2 tools, 3 if you count the X-Acto knife to get these out of the package. All you're gonna need is 3mm Allen key and a needle nose pliers. Step 1, you're gonna come up to your caliper here, grab this little thingy mabobby. I honestly don't even know what this little thing's called, like a C-clip kind of a thing basically. But you're gonna remove the C-clip, then come in with your 3mm Allen key, remove this pin bolt deal that holds your brake pads in. And then you're gonna wanna take your needle nose and pull your pads up. They're like a semi-metallic ceramic mix. Then we got these beautiful bad boys that are a full copper sintered brake pad. So super duper simple. Take your fresh brake pads, slide them on in from the top, just like so. Take this little pin bolt dealio, slide it through, tighten her back in with your 3mm Allen key, take the goofy looking C-clip pin, slide it back onto the pin bolt thing, whatever, slide it back on to the brake pad pin bolt dealio. Done. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the front. All right, so we're up here at the front. Take off the C-clip, remove the pad pin bolt with your 3mm Allen key. Boop. Old brake pads out. New brake pads in, pin bolt goes back through, screw it in, C-clip back on the end of the pin bolt. Boom, all done. Fresh copper sintered brake pads, front and rear. Now don't forget, after you put these pads on, you're gonna need to bed them in the front and the rear. In order to get a proper brake bedding, you're gonna wanna do 3 to 10 stops from 10 miles an hour down to 2 miles an hour. You never wanna make a full stop and slam on your brakes because that'll cause the pad to eat right into your rotor. So you're gonna wanna slow down from 10 to 2 about 10 times and then ride around for about 10-15 minutes, let it all cool down, using the brakes as little as possible. Do the same thing from 20 miles an hour to 10, 30 miles an hour down to 20. Rinse and repeat until they feel spectacular, and then you know you've got a good bed on your fresh brake pads. And that is it. Stupid simple, boys. Right to the point, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.